So I'll borrow some tools in a secret location. First thing is to straighten up this bit of steel in here, just to take the edge off it. So in this YouTube video, I'm making little pieces of metal, which you'll see later in this video, that go underneath the seat, part of where the upholstery adheres to. So it's a little bit backwards to front, but if you watch the whole thing, you'll hopefully get the idea of what I was up to. So yeah, this is another part of the project, so sit back and enjoy. Right. So, hopefully this works, and well, how it does work. Oh, that's right, duh. It's going to come down. It's going to go up, isn't it? That's right. Oh, this is going to come down. There we go. There's that onto the right spot. Oh, down here, David. That's it. Didn't do any freaking thing, did it? Might work better. So back to the seat frame. These pieces here, you can open this up, you can see here is not good. So I'm going to attempt to remake them, and the way they work, you can see, it's an angle piece with a little bit here and here, and that's for the seat fabric to wrap under it and hook into. So I've got to make them up. So what have I got is I've got some steel that you saw me cutting before, and I put a bit of a bend in it, as you can see, but not a very good one. So I figured I might as well hit it with a hammer, because the trouble is with the bend I was using, it just wasn't bending it properly, it wasn't grabbing it. So I'm going to hit it good old blacksmith style with a hammer. I'm sure there must be neater ways of doing this, but it's not really going to be seen, so I suppose it doesn't matter that much, does it? There we have a fairly well finished product. What I'll do now on this side is cut those little notches in and grind away the excess, so that we have the same looking piece. I know, well, that's the start of it.